Welcome to this demo on how to set and unset your alarm panel using the FreeControl app. To do this, you simply navigate to your app location. Mine's here. We're going to use the FreeControl app. Wait for it to log in. It will authenticate itself either with a password, a 4-digit code, or your face if you've got a phone that allows you to do so. Now from here you'll see I've created a demo site so I don't actually set the real alarm off in my house. But to do it, we're simply going to slide the slider into the status that we want. You'll notice at the top of the screen there are three icons, an amber one, a green one and a red one. These are going to be the statuses that we can set an alarm to. Now obviously in the middle we've got the green. That means that the alarm is not currently set. So if someone walks in or something happens, the alarm isn't going to happen. The only thing that would cause an alarm to go off whilst it's in that green status is if someone tries to interfere with it. So if someone tries to damage it or pull a unit off the wall, that would set it off. The next setting we've got is on the left hand side, the amber one, the part set. You notice it's got a little house on the bottom right corner. Now the idea of this one is that if you're going to bed, you're effectively telling your alarm panel that there should be nobody else coming into that house, that everyone who should be there is there, and there should be no one else coming in that evening. Therefore, the alarm is not going to give people any form of countdown or any form of warning that an alarm is active. Meaning, if anybody enters the house, whether it be through the front door, that would normally give a countdown, or through a window or in front of a sensor, the alarm is going to go off instantly without any warning. Great if you want to get the head start. The next one we have is on the far right hand side. We've got this red icon and it's called a set. Now that's the one you'll use when you're leaving the house. So if everyone's heading out, you're doing a shopping trip or something, and you want to be able to give a bit of a grace period on your return home. So let's say for instance, the kids push in front of you and they're opening the front door. They don't know the code to the alarm. You want a good 30-45 seconds head start so you can disarm the alarm before it goes off. The red setting is going to give you that. However, it will allow the front door to do that, but if someone was to enter through an unconventional method, i.e. a window or a back door, it will not give any countdown whatsoever and the alarm will still go off immediately. So I'm just going to quickly demo how that works. So you simply put your finger on the slider and drag it over to the left hand side. That will activate a part set for us. It will take a couple of seconds, it will wait for confirmation back from the panel, and you'll now see it has set itself to a part set. To stop that, I simply need to bring the app or the slider back to the middle, let go, and it will now disarm the alarm panel for me. It's safe now to move in front of any sensor. Again, on a part set, obviously you leave the house, get in the car, start your journey. If you're not driving, you can have a double check, make sure you did set the alarm. Sadly, you realise you didn't, not a problem. You just drag the slider to the right hand side and it'll activate a full set. Again, dead easy. You're on your way home, you'd like to disarm the alarm before you go inside. Simply drag the slider to the middle and it will disarm the alarm for you. If you can't be bothered with using sliders, you can simply press the icon at the very top of the screen and it will set it straight away for you. I'm going to disarm that because I don't need that right now, as I'm likely to set it off. But there you go, that's how to set and unset your alarm using the FreeControl app.